Alrighty, hey everyone, it's Garrison over here in Massey Toyota. And let's check out this 2020 Toyota Tundra SR5 double cab with the XP Hunter package on it. It is in the Cavalry blue exterior with the graphite cloth. And as far as our options go, we have the deck rails, the upgrade package, as well as the XP Hunter package. Go ahead and pause right there to see what that adds. The paint protection film, spray and bed liner, keyless touchpad, and phone charger for a total of $45,574. Gas mileage is going to be 13 city, 17 highway, 14 combined. Please excuse any wind noise. We do have the XP badges up top, as well as your 20-inch alloys right here that those add. Chrome outlet exhaust. X Series badging.
Sales 700.
And over here on your glass, you are going to see that keyless touchpad, so just go ahead and insert your code or press unlock on your key twice to unlock all your doors. Climbing in with those deck rails. This one does have 4 miles on it, so just go ahead and insert your key. Twist to start. So we'll check out underneath the hood. And tucked underneath the hood, you have the 5.7 liter dual overhead cam iForce V8, making 381 horsepower, 401 foot-pounds of torque, with dual variable valve timing with intelligence, all going to a part-time four-wheel drive system and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Let's check out that interior. And coming back in, that graphite cloth is going to be power adjustable with your power lumbar and all your adjustments down there. As far as door panel goes, padded materials, as well as your power windows, locks, and mirrors on the dash over here with your headlamp height, dome lights, bed light, and your automatic high beams. Checking out your tilt and telescoping wheel, it is going to be 4-spoke urethane wrapped with your TSSP down here with your radar cruise, lane keep, our D-pad for your center LCD and your gauges, as well as your audio controls, voice commands, and Bluetooth. Automatic halogen headlights, as well as your fog lights, and your tap to 3 blinks blinkers, variable intermittent speed wipers on the other side. Come over here to your head unit, checking out your audio sources. You have AM, FM, XM, Bluetooth streaming audio, and USB inputs. Going home, your split screen view, and then going to your menu, you have your Apple CarPlay projection and Android Auto. Down below that, you have your single zone manual climate control with your fan speed, temperature, and zones right here, AC, recirc, and your heated mirrors. 4-wheel drive controller, trailer brake, tow haul mode. Underneath, you do have various charging outlets, USB, traction control, 12 volt. And this is going to be that 6-speed automatic with your sport mode and manual shift. Rear view camera right there. SR5 badging, massive console with a 12 volt. You also do have damped glove box. Up top, auto dim mirror with garage home link and compass. Mirror and vanity light with your map lights, SOS Safety Connect, as well as some sunglass storage. So that wraps up the front. We'll check out the rear seat. Since this is the double cab model, you do have your door handle like so. And coming in, you can lift up your bottom cushion to show your cargo room underneath the floor. Or just go ahead and lower that cushion. And it is going to be a 3-seat bench across. Dual painted materials do follow through with your padded window and your padded armrest. Behind my 5'9" frame, we do have adequate room, plenty of footroom as well. Those charging USBs that are part of the phone charger package. You do have some cup holders right here. 1 map pocket, and then a nice little vent right here that you can manually open. Co-hooks up top, belts for 3 back here, and nice view of the dash right there. Let's check out that bed and we will wrap up the video. Coming around back on this one, as you can see, the X Series 4x4 badging, all of your trailer hookups, and your trailer lighting. Nice assisted tailgate that doesn't slam, as well as your deck rails over here. Spray and bed liner as well. Easy up tailgate. And that'll wrap it up for the 2020 Tundra SR5 4x4 double cab with the XP Hunter package. If you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again, guys, this is Garrison over at Massey. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to give it a like. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.